One of the main questions I've been asked is, it's a glass house. Can it handle rain? Can it handle snow? Can it handle hail? What happens when it's a hot day? So I'm going to resolve this by explaining and showing you our simple glass. All of our glass is 6mm double-sided. That means you have 6mm in each side and a layer of gas in the middle of it. That is the minimum that we work with. We usually will go anywhere up to 8, 10, 12mm on each side, which will create anywhere between 12mm glass all the way up to 28mm glass, which is almost over an inch. Inside of our glass, if you can see here or not, inside of our glass there is a film, and that film does two things. One, it provides the glass with an R rating. It's about 14, but it's very good for glass. With that R rating, with a particular tint on this glass, and with a particular shading system that we're going to apply, you will be able to handle almost any temperature in almost any environment. The glass makes all the difference in the world in a glass house. And the glass we put in each and every one of our structure is the best that you can get. All of our glass comes in various colors and tint. So you can customize your glass with the color of the actual metal, the color of the actual frame. By creating this particular project in Spring, Texas, we're using a 6mm double-sided glass that gives you a 12mm glass total thickness, an R rating of 14 with an argon gas in the middle of that particular glass, a high density tint, and a shading system that is installed inside of this glass. So when we are going to finish this glass house, there will be a shading system spread out, which will allow you, together with a combination of HVAC system, to handle even Texas winters and summers. All of our glass, or 95% out of our glass house, are low E glass. We have some regular transparent or high E glass in places like northern New York State and Alaska. Most of the United States will use a low E glass. Most of the United States will be a high tinted glass, anywhere between 25 to 35. All of our glass is going to be double-sided, shattered-proof. All of our glass is going to be with an R rating of at least 12. And that's what makes us special. That's why our glass house is actually a living space.